Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to bird watch in Heartopia game. Okay, first of all, you need to unlock the bird watching hobby, and I need to decide which hobby to learn and confirm with the corresponding mentor. I need to complete this quest first to unlock the bird watching hobby. I need to talk to Bailey G. And okay, I need to submit the hobby expansion ticket, and then the bird watching hobby will be unlocked. Okay, I've already obtained the bird watching hobby and I got the basic scanner. Okay, and then I'm going to do the bird watching. Okay, I need to open my toolbox and equip the scanner. Okay, let's equip the scanner, guys, to bird watch. This one. Okay, and you will get a tutorial to bird watch as well. And let's find a bird. Wait, we need to scan to collect bird data. Okay, this is the bird, the European robin, and we need to collect the data. Wait, let me repeat the step. We need to find a bird, and then you can click on this button, the white button. All right, and now it's done. The bird watching is completed. Okay guys, and that's how we can do bird watching in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.